Hello everybody and welcome to Mahlo in Saal, Germany. Today we have the pleasure to introduce our new tool for the data logging of our measuring and control systems, the mLog. And with me is Marco.
Nice to meet you. My name is Marco Santinon. I am the head of the engineering software department.
And Marco has created this wonderful software for us, which we will explain in detail to you now. So the mLog is designed to collect all the data from our measuring and control system. And here we have a simulation of an online web gauging system using a traversing basis weight sensor to create the weight profiles over the cross direction. So every one of you who already has a QualiScan QMS system with a traversing sensor is familiar with this screen. You see the profiles, you can see the trend diagrams or this kind of heat map showing deviations in different color shade, as well as statistical data on the screen. And now we will show you how you can transform these data into a nice quality protocol. Marco, please.
That's right, Matthias. So, once that we have established the connection between the QMS system and the mLog, the first step is to define the report layout. And let me say, define the report layout. It's really user-friendly. Just going in the report layout configuration, press the Add button, and what you have to do is just to write a report name, then select your report language, the unit measure, where you have a lot of options, and then what you have to do is just to select the trend that you would like to fill in your protocol. The mLog automatically proposes all the available trends that are linked to the installed sensor. So you don't have to worry about looking on that, but everything that is available is proposed in the mLog with an intuitive tree view. So it's just enough to select which parameter we would like to show. For example, we have controller, light speed, but what is more interesting for sure are measurement data. Just for example, we can add the current value and the profile. As you can see, two selected trends are already inserted. You have just to close the windows, save, and select the current report. What you have to do next is to go to the QMS system, going in the proper page, and just start to protocol the data. Below you can see some information regarding the time, the duration, and also the length of the report. And you can also add some important information like customer, article number, charge number, color number, so we can write and type what we want. Meanwhile, the report is running. We can see in the main dashboard the progress of the actual report. So the currently running reports now is displaying that it's running a report since 38 seconds for 27 meters. And in the main dashboard, we have also an overview of the entire system. So now that our demo application is running more or less since 1 minute, we can stop and see the printout. So you see that the report creation is in progress, Just wait a while, and when it's done, it adds in the recently finished reports. You just have to select and then open the report.
So, and now we see the trend diagram here on the left side of the basis weight over a certain length in meters or over a certain time. We can adjust this, as well as a heat map with the different color shades of the deviation. And of course, if we use more than just one sensor in one scanner frame, or we have several scanners in the production line, we can put all these information on one page or on several pages, just as we requested for our quality report.
That's right.
And in the bottom here of each column, we have the detailed statistical data as well. And this protocol you will receive as a PDF file. You can print it, you can send it by email, you can put it in the memory. But the mLog system can do a lot more.
Yes. Since some weeks, we are happy to inform you that we have released the new mLog enhanced variants. So instead of having only one static printout, we are able to display the report in an advanced and interactive UNIS interface. So on the left side, you have just need to select the report, and then it's just enough to navigate on it. For example, you can decide which scale base to use, for example, the time or the length. You can also zoom in and zoom out within the trend and moving, and the statistics are updated in according with the new settings. You can also create many pop-ups to see the current value of the single measurement point with all the information needed. So in this case, the weight, the time, and the length. And you can also create more than one pop-up and navigate on it. You can also make some important or post-production evaluation, like define a different tolerance to see how your product reacts with a difference tolerance. So just moving the tolerance, and as you can see, all the statistics are updated in according to the new settings. Or if you want, you can change also the target value for making a better post-production evaluation. Like this. One moment. Here we are. And another important thing, it's also the possibility to navigate inside the profile, inside the heat maps, let me say. So you can also create a pop-up, navigate on it, also in a cross direction. So you have also the position inside the web.
So this shows us that the mLog Enhanced is a very comprehensive database system. No data gets lost, and you can see each and every single point of your production. Margot, could you please explain what is the add-on for the mLog Enhanced system if we want to use the database?
Yes, of course, instead of saving data in a normal local PC, the data are stored in an edge server. So the data are continuously stored in this server, and you avoid, let me say, the loss of data, because this server uses a RAID 1 standard for the redundancy, and also the internal file system prevents any loss of data against some power loss or some unexpected crash.
The mLog and the mLog Enhanced today is the state-of-the-art system for the data logging and the perfect quality protocol tool for your production. We hope this was interesting for you. If you have any questions, please let us know. And we say thank you and servus from Bavaria.